The driver passed out. He lost consciousness.
A woman had gone over the edge.
I have no doubt that would have ended in fatalities.
Had there been a guardrail there, he would have remained on the highway, and it would have been a much different result for sure.
CDOT Division of Maintenance and Operations. Aaron Crawley, Clear Creek EMS Director. CDOT maintains more than 7 million linear feet of guardrail nationwide.
We're here in Clear Creek County, Colorado. Clear Creek County is high alpine terrain, extremely rugged. We respond on average to 170 motor vehicle accidents per year. There are times when motor vehicle accidents are so bad that the fire department needs to respond and maybe help extricate a patient. That's something that we can't do by ourselves. Guardrails play a major role in keeping motor vehicle accidents on the road and kind of guiding them into a safe place when there is a collision. CDOT plays a massive role, shutting down the highway, helping us access patients and getting them to definitive care. So it's a job for everybody, and it only works if our mutual aid partners work well together like they do.
Icy conditions, wet conditions, you get a lot of slide outs. Guardrails there usually prevents people from hitting other vehicles. Today we're going to be doing a guardrail repair that was impacted by a vehicle. Gather everyone together, go over what we're doing, the hazards related to what we're doing. Load up all of our equipment and all of the pieces needed to replace the guardrail that we're doing. And then we kind of rally the troops and get out there and set up traffic first of all. Then we get all the equipment in place and start ripping things apart.
CDOT spends more than $2.5 million annually on guardrail repair and maintenance to keep the traveling public safe. Craig Filkins, Transportation Maintenance.
The excitement of the day-to-day projects is there's always variables. You never know what you're going to encounter. It's difficult working alongside a roadway because you have no control over the traveling public. I take pride in the job because, you know, when I look at the traveling public, I'm considering that to be my family and my close friends. That brings it close to me. It means a lot more that way.
Doesn't matter what patrol you're on, where you're out of, we're here to help each other and we have each other's back 100%. There's no doubt in my mind that Guardrail absolutely saves lives every single day.
A CDOT crew installs a guardrail as cars pass on the road. Text Colorado Department of Transportation. We do more than you think. Join the team.